Okay, Viking, get ready to fly. Hey, Jealous, we gotta prepare for launch. They're almost here. Can't wing glide without wings, though. Okay, getting into position. These wings will give you a dragon-sized view of Earth. No dragons required. Nest. But a bronco nest? Okay, get you out of here. Bronco eggs explode when they hatch, so just keep moving forward. No. Forward. You know which way is forward, right? Oh, no, the eggs are hatching. Maybe you're right, bud. Maybe there'll never be anything like flying with your best friend. As long as your best friend is a dragon. Ah, come on, Toothless, you know that doesn't wash out. Yeah.